Hello again, boys and girls. This is Mr. Campbell with another video. This is an introductory lesson to equivalent fractions. We're going to start with a circle on the screen. I'm going to pretend this is a pizza, my favorite food, the most perfect food ever invented as far as I am concerned. And I'm going to slice my pizza because I don't like to pick up the entire pizza to eat it. But I'm going to slice this pizza into two equal slices. Now, being the hungry guy that I am going to eat an entire side of this pizza. So I have divided my pizza into two slices, and I have eaten one of those slices. I have eaten one half of the pizza. Now, let's say I take my pizza, that whole pizza, and I divide that pizza not into two slices, but into four slices. Four slices. Okay? So I now have a total of four slices. And let's say that I eat, once again, that entire side. You can see that these two sides, I've eaten the same amount of pizza. I've just eaten a different number of slices. This time, out of the four total slices, I've eaten two slices. Okay? I hope you're still with me. Now, let's say I take that same pizza, but instead of dividing it into two slices, and instead of divided it into four slices, I actually divide this one into 8 slices. Pretty close, not exact, but pretty close. Now, so I have a grand total of 8 slices. And let's say I still eat this entire left side, okay? Still the same amount of pizza being eaten, no matter which pizza we're looking at. There's still the same amount of pizza going into my belly. And only this time, instead of eating one slice or two slices, I've eaten 4 slices. But no matter what, it's still the same amount. These amounts are all equivalent. 1/4 is equal, one half is equal to 2/4, which is equal to 4/8. They're all the same amount. They're just different numbers. And I could keep on going. I could divide my pizza into 16 slices, and if I still ate the same amount of pizza, it would be 8/16. You may have noticed another thing here as well. As we go from one fraction to the other, you may have noticed a pattern. We just finished talking about patterns recently, and you may have noticed that as we go from 1/2 to 2/4, the numerator and the denominator both are multiplied by 2. They're both doubled. And then likewise, as we go from 2/4 to 4/8, we're also doubling our numerator and our denominator. So this continues on. It could go on to 8/16, 16/32, and so on and so on and so on. Boys and girls, that is the end of your quick introductory lesson to equivalent fractions. I hope this helped. Watch this video again as many times as you need, and we will talk more about this in class. Have a great evening. I'll see you tomorrow.